Let's dive into some seriously intriguing stuff here. Imagine an AI that can whip up an entire online store for shoes with just a prompt. We're talking about creating something like Cool Shoes, a store complete with a sleek layout and AI-generated images of shoes that look straight out of a high-end catalog. And that's just scratching the surface. Next up, we push the boundaries further by asking it to create a piano synthesizer. Just imagine typing in, "create a piano synth," and boom, there it is. A virtual piano you can play with keys that respond to your touch. You can tweak parameters like sound waves, reverb, and delay to tailor your musical experience. It's like having a customizable piano at your fingertips. But it doesn't stop there. We wanted to groove a bit more, so we asked it to create a drum pad. And voila, we got a drum pad interface where you can program beats and hit play to hear your creations come to life. It's pretty neat for anyone looking to lay down some rhythm without needing physical instruments. Then we thought, why not go full productivity mode? Can it replicate something like Microsoft Excel? We prompted it with, create an interactive Microsoft Excel app. And guess what? It delivered. You can input data, perform calculations, and see formulas in action just like you would in the real Excel. This could be a game changer for tasks that require spreadsheet functionality on the fly. And hold on to your hats, because it even tackled nostalgia. We asked it to recreate Windows XP, and boy did it deliver. Picture this, virtual Windows XP desktop complete with a functioning start menu, desktop icons, and yes, even Paint. You can open applications, browse folders. It's like taking a trip down memory lane in a simulated environment. But it's not all about recreating the past. We also explored its capabilities to render interactive 3D shape. Imagine inputting a prompt and seeing 3D models appear, which you can rotate and interact with right there on your screen. It's like having a virtual shape-shifting workshop at your disposal. Now, here's the kicker. WebSim isn't reserved for tech wizards alone. It's tailor-made for anyone with a curiosity to delve into virtual realms and develop applications without requiring extensive technical expertise. Simply sign up with your Google or Discord account and start prompting it to generate anything from detailed online encyclopedias like animals, encyclopedia to personalized versions of familiar websites. Its accessibility democratizes digital creativity, empowering users to experiment, innovate, and share their virtual creations effortlessly. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or entrepreneur, WebSim offers a user-friendly gateway to explore the possibilities of AI-driven virtual environments. For example, we simulated a version of Reddit with a twist. It's like having a custom-tailored Reddit experience just for you. And get this, even made a Twitter-like platform where all the users are dogs, named Pupster. Fantastic, right? And if you're more of a feline aficionado, fear not. We also crafted Meow Match, a Tinder-like app where the users are exclusively cats. Swipe left or right for your perfect match. But let's not forget the creative tools. Explored its ability to replicate a functional Microsoft Paint app, named Microsoft Paint. You can doodle, sketch, and unleash your inner artist. Brushes to colors to shapes, it's like having a digital canvas at your command. For music enthusiasts, the piano synth isn't just for personal enjoyment, it's shareable via a custom URL. Imagine bookmarking your musical creation and letting others access it effortlessly. They can play with different sound waves and adjust settings like reverb or delay. What's more, you can integrate this piano synth with other tools, like a drum sequencer, creating dynamic musical compositions right in your browser. It's collaborative creativity at its finest, all powered by WebSim's innovative capabilities. For spreadsheet fans, the interactive Microsoft Excel app is a powerful tool. It lets you easily manage cells, perform formulas, and organize data efficiently. Whether you're crunching numbers, analyzing data trends, or simply organizing information, this virtual Excel environment gives you all the essential functionality without having to install complex software. In short, WebSim is your gateway to limitless creativity. Whether you're prototyping new ideas, creating educational tools, or simply exploring for fun, the marriage of AI and simulation technology creates the conditions for innovative virtual environment. What's truly remarkable is the ability to save your creations as offline-ready HTML files or share them via simulated URL. This means you can present your virtual worlds to friends, colleagues, or the whole world, demonstrating the power of digital creation and collaboration without limits. So, if you're ready to embark on your digital creativity journey, sign up Start your prompts and see what virtual wonders you can create today. The possibilities with WebSim are truly endless.